This is your boy Bobby's RC back with another video about RC cars and trucks. This is going to be my first RC vlog of what to buy to upgrade your RC car. Number 1, RPM aeons. Number 2, aluminum shock caps. Number 3, Proline adjustable body mounts. Number 4, Traxxas 6852X heavy duty axles. Number 5, RPM front carrier steering blocks. Number 6, RPM Kimberlings. Number 7, RPM caster blocks. Number 8, RPM gear cover. Number 9, Proline bodies. Number 10, J Concepts body. Number 11, wheels. Alright, now since we got that taken care of, here is the best paint. Number 1 is Tamiya. Number 2 is Pactor. Number 3 is Testors Dull-Coat spray. And number 4 is Spaz sticks. And as always, don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates on videos that I upload, so you can be the first one to get notified to watch my videos. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, dislike, or whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon on the next video.